Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to design an advanced online banking system which will have features like COT, IMF and tax transfer code, Bitcoin deposit, check deposit, credit score, debit/credit alerts and many great features. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share. So on this channel I post videos to teach my subscribers how to make money online and ways to improve their skills. Please make sure you turn on the notification bell to be among those who will be notified whenever I post a new video. Let's have an overview of a banking system I just delivered for a client, and I'll be showing you guys how I achieved an online banking solution like that. So guys, this is the name of the website, First Saver International, and then it has a live chat on this platform and a Google Translator, and we have the sign up button. We also have a cover saying okay, accounts login, and then open an account if you want to create a new user account. And then we have about company, we have business loan, home loan, commercial loan, car loan, education loan, construction loan, gold loan, land loan. And under here we have success rate 100%, happy client 280,000. This project has an awesome UI and UX. We have 1,000 projects completed with absolute quality. We also have the type of loan you can do on this website and many more, guys. Let's go ahead and sign up on this website and see how the user's dashboard looks like. I'll just go ahead and click on sign up. So firstly, we are asked to enter a code for verification. I'm just going to put in the code here, 802255. So after this, I'm going to click on verify code. We also have a Google Translator here. So here I can decide to log in directly to my account if I have an existing account, or I can just decide to enroll for online banking. So there are terms and conditions. I can assume that I've read all the terms and conditions and then go ahead and click on I accept. So here's the basic form I'm going to fill to get started as a new user. I'll go ahead and quickly fill this form. So we have occupation. I'm going to select self-employed, and then we have annual salary. I'm going to put $100 to $500. We also have SSN. Just going to put a random numbers, and then we have account type. I'll put savings. And then here you can select currency, guys. We have a lot of currency you can select depending on the currency you want to be displayed on the user's dashboard. I'll just leave it as USD dollars, and then I'm going to put in my date of birth. So after that, I'm going to put in a 2FA pin, that is two-factor authentication pin, which I'll be using to log into my accounts. As time goes on, I'll just create a pin. And after that, I'm going to put in my password, and then I'm going to confirm password. I'm also going to upload a photograph of me. So guys, after we are done filling the basic details, I'll just go ahead and then hit submit. Congratulations, your account has been created successfully. So I'll just go to my mail to check for verification. I'll go to my mail. So guys, here's the mail sent to my email, hi Prince Israel Godson. So I'll just go ahead and then click on confirm email. So account registration complete. Your email has been successfully verified. So after this, I'll go ahead and then click on back to home. So we have this page which showed up. I'll just go ahead and then put in this code 007 and then 657. Then I'll click on verify code. So here I'm going to check my mail and then put in the account ID which was sent to my mail. So this is my account ID. Just copy and then come here and then paste. and I'm going to put in my password, and then I'm going to click on continue. So it said, "Hi Prince Israel, your FSL internet banking account is currently inactive. Kindly contact our live customer care representative." I'll go ahead and then click on OK. So all I need to do is to log into the admin dashboard to verify this user's account. I'll go to the admin dashboard and verify this user's account immediately. I'm going to use this link, firstsaver.com, that is your domain name /account/admin, and then I'm going to put in my admin details, and then I'll click on continue. So guys, to be able to verify this account, so currently guys, this account has a balance of $0, and then this is the account number automatically generated for this user, and then we have email verification, yes, and then we have status active. And to verify this account, all we need to do is to click on this approve account, and then user have been activated. I'm going to click on OK. So guys, this user's account have successfully been verified. I'll go ahead and then log in or click on continue. So guys, hello Prince, welcome to First Saver International Internet Banking, and this is my user's dashboard guys. So we have my profile picture, and then we have linked card, and then we have available balance $0, and then we have my full name, and then my IP address and where I'm located. And here we have savings account, we have my account number here, we also have $0 which I have in my savings account. We also have business support loan, which is $0, and then we have FICO credit score, which is 300 guys. So here we have deposits, which means you can deposit on this account. We also have transfer funds, and if I scroll down, we have recent transaction activities, and then we have balance flow here. So let's click on deposits. So guys, here we have deposit a check. So when you click on deposits, it brings you to this page, and then it says choose the account to deposit the check and the check amount, and ensure the check has been properly endorsed. So on submit your check for deposits. So when you scroll down, you're going to see the account making deposit to, and then the available balance you have in that account, and you're going to put in your check amount, and after that you're also going to put in the front of the check, and then we also have here the back of the check, and after this you hit the submit check. So after you've been able to submit this check, it's going to get to the admin for confirmation, and after it has been confirmed, this account will be funded with the amount on the check. I'm just going to go back to the page we were before getting to this page. So here we have transfer funds. I'm going to click on transfer funds. So here we have transfer funds, and on the right hand side we have cross-border transfer, and then this is the account. For instance, if you want to transfer from this account, and at the moment this account have just $0, and then we have amount to transfer. All we need to do is to put in the amount we want to transfer, and then click on continue to next step. So guys, let's do something really quick. Let's go ahead and then fund this account with $2,000. So to be able to fund this account, I need to go to my admin dashboard, and under my admin dashboard I'm going to click on fund a user. So I'm going to pick this user, which is Prince God's Wonder Israel. Going to click on fund user. So guys, to be able to fund a user account, after selecting the accounts we want to fund, all you need to do is to put in the amount to credit, and after that you can select a transfer scope, either check deposit, international transfer, or local transfer, and after that you can scroll down and then put in a description, and you can also select frequency, and then decide to send a notification to this user, yes or no. And after that I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to click on confirm transaction. So guys, I've been able to fund this user account with $2,000. I'm going to go back to my users dashboard, and then refresh. So guys, here's the $2,000 we just funded this account. I'm going to also refresh this page. So guys, as you can see, the $2,000 we just funded is also showing here. So all I need to do is to put in the amount I want to transfer and then click on continue to next step. So another wonderful features about this online banking is that you can also pay bills. If I click on pay bills, I'm going to click on open link in a new tab. So guys, another interesting features about this online banking is the fact that you can also pay bills. If I click on pay bills, I'm just going to right click and open link in a new tab. So under pay bills, all I need to do is to select a payee, and after that I'm going to put in delivery date and put in an amount. After putting in an amount, we have memo which is optional, and then I'm just going to click on continue. So this is how I can pay bills on this internet banking. So I'm just going to go back to the dashboard, and then under the dashboard I'm going to click on my accounts. So under my account we have recent transaction. So under recent transaction activities, it shows that we have a completed activities which you've done, and you remember we just credited this account. So under the recent transaction activities, we have that this account was credited with $2,000, and then the status is credits. So you can view details of this transaction if you want. You can also check your account summary. So under your account summary, we have amount $2,000, and then we have status completed. So you can view all your transaction summaries. So I'm just going to go back and show you one awesome features about this internet banking. So here we have your FICO credit score has increased because we just performed a transaction from the recent amount we see, and then now we have 460, guys. This is impressive. And then we now have business support loan because you've been able to do a transaction of $2,000. So that means you can get business support loan for as low as $300. So guys, let's click on transfer. So under transfer, as I earlier said, you can do a cross-border transfer, and then you can just do a normal transfer. I'm just going to click on cross-border transfer. So under cross-border transfer, all I need to do is to select a recipient and then put in delivery dates, and after that I'm going to put in an amount and then put in a description or a reason which is optional, and after that I'm going to click on continue. And if I just want to do the normal transfer, all I need to do is to just click on local transfer and switch back to the normal transfer. So we also have deposit check. Earlier reviewed this interface that you can do internet banking deposits. All you need to do is to upload the front and back of your check and then hit the submit check button. So as I earlier said, you can also pay bills, and here we have visual cards. If I click on visual cards, I'm just going to open link in a new tab. So here we have visual card, which is virtual cards. I'm just going to right click and then open link in a new tab. So the first Saver International Virtual Debit Card is a digital payment card designed to facilitate frequent online shoppers with a secure and flexible alternative. So all I need to do is to click on request a new virtual card to request a new virtual card on this platform. So what I need to do is to put in my payment details and then choose the card I want. Is it a MasterCard? Is it a Visa card, or a card called Discover? And after that, I'm just going to click on I have read the terms and conditions and all personal information have been entered correctly, and then click on apply. So you can also view your KYC status on this internet banking solution as a user. So guys, we have this interface which popped up and it says you have not submitted your necessary documents to verify your identity. In order to continue using First Saver International online banking product, please verify your identity. So all you need to do is to click here to complete your KYC. Let's click on complete KYC. So here's the form you're going to fill, which carries your basic details. You're going to put in your address, and then you're going to upload documents like passport, national ID, driving license. You can upload the front and back, and then hit I have read the terms and condition, and after that all personal information I have entered is correct, and after this you hit submit. So here we have loan/credit financing. So under that we have apply for First Saver International loan. So all you need to do is to just put in an amount of loan you want to apply for, and the minimum is 150 USD. And then you're going to select what you want to use that loan for, that is credit facility. And after that, you have to put in a repayment period. Is it after 6 months you want to pay back this loan? Is it after 12 months, after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years? And then you also need to put in the purpose of this loan, and then you have to read the terms and conditions, which says interest rate is 4.3%, management fee is 3%, and so on. And then you click on continue to be able to request for loan on this internet banking solution. So I'm also going to scroll down and then click on link external card, guys. So on this internet banking solution, you can link external cards. So here we have the saving accounts, and then we have available balance $2,000, and then you can put in the name of the card you want to link, and then put in month, you can put in year, and then you can also add your CCV and then click on link cards. After you are done clicking on link card, you'll be able to see the card you've linked, so that you can always use that link card for payments. So we have account settings, and then we also have supports. So I'm just going to click on account settings. Another account setting, you can activate or deactivate security code. You can also deactivate or activate your activity logs. And then right now 2FA authentication is enabled automatically by the admin, and then you can also view your recent activities and where it was performed, and then IP address and dates that activities was done. So let's click on supports, and then here we also have Google Translator. Let's wait while support load. So here you can open a ticket as a user. All you need to do is to select which department you want to forward your ticket to, and then put in your complaint and then hit the submit. And then you can also view all previous tickets. As in case you've submitted a ticket before, you can view all previous tickets. So here we have income 0%, and also we have debit is 0%, guys. So if I click on this my profile, on top we have connected, and if I click on this drop down, we have dark mode, so you can decide to switch from light mode to dark mode. You can also reset password, view login activities, and then we have our balance $2,000. that is our local balance. So guys, this is how easy it is to move around this user's dashboard, and it also have an awesome functionality, guys. So let's go ahead and see how the admin dashboard looks like and its functionalities, guys. I'm just going to go to my admin dashboard. So right now I'm in my admin dashboard, which I was trying to verify a user's account. And under the admin dashboard, you can create a user account directly from this admin dashboard. So all you need to do is to click on open an account. And under the admin dashboard, you can view all transactions. I'm sure we'll be able to see the transaction we recently just completed, which is $2,000, and description we added fund, and then the type is credit, and the scope is local transfer, and the status is completed. So we also have action, which is this 3 dots. You can view details of this transaction. So here we have bill payments. So on this internet banking solution, you can view all payments, guys, all bill payments, and you can also see all check deposit. As I earlier said, that every check deposit sent, you can view is. So here we already have a check deposit of $520, and the status is pending. All we need to do to change the status of this check deposit is to click on the correct icon to be able to approve this check deposit. So here we have the visual cards, which is the virtual cards. You can view all applications for virtual cards and then approve, so that they can use those virtual cards for online transactions. We also have KYC applications. So here you can view all KYC application and then approve those ones who have passed the KYC applications, and then also reject those who did not meet the requirements, guys. So I'm just going to scroll down, and under this interface we have loan and credit financing, and under loan and credit financing you can view all loan requests, and then you can manage all loans. So we have just three loan requests right now, and then here says I want 2,000 USD, and then this one says I want 10,000 USD, and also this guy says I want 20,000 USD, guys. So you can manage all loans if you want to manage loans. All you need to do is to configure your loan. Do you want to allow loan application? If you disable this loan application, users will not be able to apply for loan on this platform. And this is where we set the minimum requirement. Remember, I had showed you that the minimum requirement is 150, which you can change and then edit. If you want to change it to $50, you can change it to $50. We also have the maximum loan requirement, which is 150,000 USD, and then we also have interest rates, which is 4.3%. You can increase the interest rate if you want. You can also reduce this interest rate. We have management fee, which is 3, and then we also have credit insurance fee, which is 0.8, and we have penal charges, which is 3.5. And after you are done making these changes, all you need to do is to click on updates. So here we have support tickets. So here we'll be able to view all tickets opened by users and then respond to them directly from this place. And then we have general settings where you can set up your banking solution, where you're going to put in your base URL, your site name, your short name, your email address, and so on, guys. So here we have where you can upload your logo and favicon, and then here we have where you can set up your email and SMS configuration, and then we have slider settings, we have miscellaneous, and then we also have plugins, and under here we have Google Translator to be able to translate this page, guys. So there's no doubt also that the admin do have a wonderful features, and the interesting part about this internet banking solution is the fact that you can create a virtual card. So guys, let's go ahead and then see how we can achieve an internet banking solution like this, which we've all been waiting for, guys. So guys, all we need to do is to log into our cPanel. I'm just going to click on login to log into my cPanel, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to create a subdomain. I'm just going to put in domain on the search. So I'm going to click on these domains. So on this interface, I'm going to create a new domain. That is a new subdomain, guys. So I'm going to call this domain as bank.whitevondigital.com. Great. Then I'm going to click on submit. Make sure you don't check this share document routes. I'm going to click on submit. So my subdomain have successfully been created. So I'll just go back to my cPanel. And under my cPanel, I'm going to go to File Manager. So under File Manager, I'm going to locate bank.whitevondigital.com. And then all I need to do is to click on Upload to be able to upload the scripts. And then I'm going to click on Select File. Guys, right now I have these scripts being uploaded, and this is the progress at the moment, 1%. I'm just going to hold on just a second while it gets to 100%. So that this script can be uploaded successfully on our server. I'm going to go back to our cPanel, and then on the cPanel, I'm going to put my SQL. So under my SQL database wizard, I'm going to create a new database for this project. So I'm just going to call this database whitevon_bank, which will be my database name, guys. So what you need to do is to go to your notepad, and I'm just going to copy this database name on my notepad so that I will not forget, because anything that makes you forget your database details, guys, you have to create a new database. So I'll just copy this and then paste this, because I'm pasting all of this together. And then I'll open my notepad, and then then paste this. So I'm just going to remove this because this is what I want to use as my database name. And after this, I'm going to click on next step. So under next step, I have to set up a username. I'm just going to write bank, and then I'm also going to put in a password, which I'm going to use the same details, guys. So please make sure you choose your own database name, your database username, your password, and so on. You don't have to use the same details I'm using. And after this, I'm going to create a user. So I'm going to select all privileges because I want my database to be able to access every of this. And then I'm going to click on make changes. So the next thing I would love to do is to click on return to home. and then go ahead and then type select PHP version on my search. So, and then on my search is either you use select PHP version if your server uses that, or you put multi PHP manager. So under multi PHP manager, what I would love to do is to select a PHP version for my project, and under bank.whitevondigital.com I would love to select PHP version of 7.4 and then click on apply. So these changes have been applied successfully. Guys, the next thing we are going to do now is to go ahead and then upload our database. So all I need to do is to come to this search and then write PHP myadmin and then select this. So we have this interface which comes up on our PHP myadmin. So all I need to do is to select the database I want to upload its SQL file. So I'm just going to click on imports. So I've been able to select my database, which is firstsave_test.sql, and then I'm going to click on go to be able to import this database. So guys, the database has been imported successfully. So it said import has been successfully finished, 113 queries executed for firstsave_test. So guys, we have our script installed successfully. All I need to do is to extract the scripts, or click on extract and then click on extract files. So guys, I've successfully been able to extract files. I'm just going to click on close, and then the next thing we would love to do is to go ahead and then link our database. So to be able to link our database, I'll just go and click on accounts, and under accounts I'm going to click on scripts. So guys, under script I'm just going to scroll down and then open this connects. I'm going to right click and then click on edits. So all I need to do is to update my database details with this, which I had copied to my notepad. Go ahead and then copy, right click and then copy, and then replace it with username, and then replace the same thing with password, and then by default your server name is localhost. So my DB name too will be whitevon_bank, and then go ahead and then click on save. Great guys, so let's go ahead and then access our website, which is bank.whitevondigital.com. So guys, we have our script uploaded successfully, and then if you scroll down we have exactly what we just shown as a review guys. So the next thing we are going to do is to see how we can just make changes to this home page. So to be able to locate the files in this home page, all you need to do is to go to your cpanel. So I'm just going to go to the main folder, which is the bank.whitevondigital.com, and then I'm going to locate index.php. I'm going to click on edit. So on this page I can make changes to whatever I want to make changes to. For instance, I want to remove this first, and then I'm just going to click on save changes. Let me refresh my banking solution. So guys, if you know you're enjoying this video, please make sure you don't forget to smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also subscribe to this channel. So guys, the details we've just removed, which is the first, as reflected on. So guys, this is exactly how you can make changes to the home page if you want to make any change. And then here we have include of header.php, which shows that whatever you want to make changes to regarding the header, you can just locate the header.php on that same folder guys. So this is where we have header.php. And then if you also want to make changes to the footer, which is what is here, these are the footers guys. You can just locate the footer.php, which is this, and then make changes to whatever you want to do on the footer guys. So guys, if you want to make changes to the mobile view, you can just come to this index-2.php to make changes to your mobile view version guys. This is how simple it is to edit this banking solution guys. If you also want to change logo, let's say for instance I open the header.php. In the header.php, this is where we have the title of the website. So you can make changes to it if you want to change the title of the website. So guys, so this is where we have our live charts integrated. All we need to do is to just upload a script inside our head tag to be able to create an account and then follow instructions. Go to smartsubcharts.com, and after that you'll be able to link your live chat, guys. So I'm going to scroll down to show you how the logo was being linked. So we have the images folder, and then we have logo.png. So all you need to do is to locate images folder in that same folder where you found your index.php, and after that you change the logo.png to your preferred logo. So same thing you do with the footer. If you want to change the copyright and so on, you can do this, guys. So guys, what we'll do next is to go to our admin dashboard and see how we can make changes to our new banking scripts. So guys, this is how simple you can set up your banking solution, guys. So in case you want to change things like logo and the text on this website, you can just go to the admin backend, and then under the admin backend, I had showed you that you will see logo and favicon, and under that you can upload the new logo you want to use for your banking solution. And then if you have any text you want to make changes to on the front end, you can also do that directly from the back end. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like this video and share, guys. See you in my next video.